Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install DAX Studio. So let's get started. For this, you require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to type DAX Studio and press enter. You'll get this first official link, daxstudio.org. So DAX Studio is an ultimate tool for working with DAX queries. Now over here, there are two versions. One is the installer and second is the portable. We are going to download the latest version, which is the installer. Once setup is downloaded, you need to click on open. I'll click on minimize. Okay, now select the install mode. We are going to install for all users. You'll get a pop-up, select yes, click on I accept the agreement, then click on next. Default directory where the software will get installed, click on next. You get Excel add-in as well, so make sure it is checked and click on next. I want to create a desktop shortcut, so I've checked this. Then click on next, click on install. Okay, so this is checked. It is going to launch the DAX Studio now. Now that's how the interface of the DAX Studio looks. Now to use it, you will need to connect it to a tabular server or your Power BI dataset. So click on cancel, and that's how the interface of the DAX Studio looks. So DAX Studio is basically used for debugging, testing, and performance tuning of your DAX queries. You can write your DAX queries here. Once you're connected, on the left hand side, you will get all the metadata. You can see the structure, then functions and DMV. At the bottom, you get three tabs like log, results, and history. Here you get option to connect to the data model. You can fine tune your DAX queries using this tool. You can also change DAX Studio theme by clicking on this. See, it has moved to the dark mode and you can change the theme. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.